Episode 9. DJI RS Gimbal and Transmission Installation. Before installation, we need to prepare the following items. Take out the handheld gimbal mounting kit and attach the anti-slip gimbal pad to the groove of the gimbal mounting base plate. Use a 1/4-inch screws to secure the tilt power supply base plate to the gimbal mounting base plate. It is recommended to use 2 screws for better stability. Align the 4 double-sided aluminum columns with the 4 M3 holes on the gimbal plate of the aircraft. Then secure the gimbal using 4 M3 24mm countersunk screws. Insert the RS3 Pro gimbal into the Tilta power supply base plate and tighten it. Use the Tilta protection bracket, tightening the bracket screws to complete the gimbal installation. Both the DJI SDR transmission and DJI transmission can be installed using this method. We'll demonstrate with the DJI transmission combo. Before using, attach the RS gimbal mounting plate to the front of the transmitter, making it easier to secure the gimbal for subsequent installation. Next, use a 3mm hex screwdriver to tighten the 2 screws at the top. Attach the transmitter to the cold shoe adapter under the gimbal plate, ensuring the transmission antenna is facing outward. Push it in until you hear a click, indicating that it is securely installed, and then tighten the transmitter. Use a USB-C power cable to supply power to the transmitter by plugging the power connector into the DCIN of the transmitter, and the USB-C end into the gimbal's USB port. These are all the steps for installing the transmitter. We'll use the YLRS 2.4G wireless gimbal control module as an example. Attach the control module to the RSA communication port of the gimbal, aligning it with the slot during installation. Use a 3mm hex screwdriver to tighten the 2 screws on the control module, completing the installation of the wireless gimbal control module. That's all for this episode. In the next episode, we will show you the parameter settings for the wireless gimbal control module. Thanks for watching.